Hi and good evening. My name is NASHA binti ZAINAL from Group F. So for today, we're going to present for Lab 5, which is test connectivity using Traceroute. So in this lab sheet, for the part 1, test end-to-end connectivity with the tracer command. The first step is send a ping from one end of the network to other end. As you can see, this is the Traceroute packet that have been given. So, firstly, click the PC1 and open the command prompt. Ping the PC3 at 10.1.0.2. So, the result is destination host unreachable. For the step 2, is trace the route from PC1 to determine where in the path connectivity failed. So for from the command prompt at PC1, enter the trace 10.10.2. Then we will get the message. When the message request timeout is received, press the Ctrl C. So, for the first IP address in the trace output is 10.0.0.254, and the last IP address is 10.100.100.6.
Next, we move to the step 3, which is correct the network problem. For question A, compare the last address reached with the traceroute command with the network addresses listed on the topology. The furthest device from the host 10.0.0.2 with an address in the network range found in the point of failure. What devices have addresses configured for the network where the failure occurred? So, come to the topology. Here we can see that IP address of 10.100.100.4 is a network between router B and router C. Next, for question B, click router C and then the CLI tab. What is the status of the interfaces? So now we can see it show the IP address command and then we can see serial 0/0/0 is up and protocol also up. So now for the router C, we will verify in the command is show IP interface brief, and here is the result that shows serial status is up. Next, we will come to question C, which is compare the IP addresses on the interfaces with the network addresses on the topology. Does there appear to be anything extraordinary? Alright, we will check that. The answer is yes, because in the lab sheet, it stated it used the wrong IP address because there is given 17. Now, we will come to the step D, which is the question asks, make the necessary changes to restore the connectivity, however, do not change the subnet. What is the solution? Yes, obviously, we must change the IP address in the interface on the router C to the IP address 10.100.100.9, and the subnet is 255.255.255.252. And lastly, for the step 4, verify that end-to-end connectivity is established. A, from the PC1 command prompt, enter the traceroute 10.1.0.2 command. B, observe the output from the traceroute command. Was the command successful? And the result we will show trace complete. That means the command was successful.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Adib bin Abdul Rahman. I'm from Group F. So I'm going to show the part 2 of Lab 5. So the first one is to click router A and then click CLI tab. So enter the Traceroute 10.1.0.2 and the command is complete successfully. Then compare the output from the router Traceroute with the PC Traceroute command. So we go to PC1 and Traceroute 10.1.0.2. So we can see there is different output from the Traceroute command with the PC and router. The difference is there is less IP from the router A. This is because it will using router B as the next device along path. So that's all. Thank you.